Hey everyone, welcome to Unboxing Hiver. In this video, we're going to explore the Shopify Hiver integration and see how Hiver brings key Shopify data right into your workspace, so your team isn't jumping between tabs just to answer one customer email. Let's get started. Head over to the Hiver admin panel. Then go to Apps. This is the central place where you can discover, connect, and manage all your integrations. Let me show you how easily you can set up Shopify. Click on the Shopify app. Review the capabilities of the Shopify Hiver integration, and when you're ready, click Start Setup. You'll need the shop name, client ID, and client secret to authenticate the integration. Log into your Shopify app to get this information. After you log into Shopify, go to Settings. Copy the shop name from here and paste it inside Hiver. Next, access the Dev dashboard from the Apps section in Settings. Click on Create an App and choose Start from Dev Dashboard for custom app creation. Give your integration a name, for example, Hiver integration. Next, add the following scopes to provide Hiver with the necessary permissions: read customers, write customers, read orders, and write orders. These scopes enable Hiver to read and manage customer and order information from your Shopify store. Next, return to your Hiver admin panel. In the Shopify integration settings, locate the redirect URL field and copy the URL. Go back to the Shopify Dev dashboard. Paste the copied redirect URL into the redirect URL field in your app configuration. Next, provide a version name. Optionally add a version message describing changes or notes, and click the Release button to finalize this version. After successfully releasing your app version, navigate back to the Home section of your Dev dashboard and locate your released app. Click Install App to install it in your Shopify admin. This installation authorizes the app to access your Shopify store data based on the scopes you configured. Once the app is installed, navigate to the Settings tab within your app configuration. You'll find two critical credentials: the client ID and the client secret. Copy both the values and paste them inside Hiver to complete the authentication process. In the Setup tab, select the shared inboxes and user roles that should have access to Shopify data. Once you save and enable it, your app setup is complete. Now let's look at how you actually use Shopify inside Hiver to manage customer and order information. From the Apps panel, you can access order list, customer info, orders info, and line item details right beside the conversation. Use deep links in the information cards to jump into the related entity in Shopify. You can also search for Shopify details in Hiver to quickly find the right order or customer and link it to the conversation. Moreover, hover over order numbers in the email body or subject line to instantly preview relevant details from Shopify. So that's Shopify inside Hiver, enabling your team to spend less time hunting for information and more time helping customers. Thanks for watching.